guys, Callum here from Max AMTB, and today I will be doing my 2016 Norco Range bike check. In 2016 I upgraded a few parts of my bike, including my handlebars, my rear shock. I got a new cassette, new derailleur, 2 new tyres which eventually went to tubeless, which works great. And I also got a new front chainring. In my cockpit I have Thompson downhill 800mm bars with Shimano brakes, SRAM X5 shifter and the stock seat dropper post. My front suspension is RockShox Yari 170mm travel, and I have 180mm disc with 27.5 inch tyre with running Strobel Magic Mary on front and rear. My rear suspension is RockShox Monarch Plus RC3 Debonair, and my frame size is XL. And I've got a Race Face 34-tooth chainring on the front. And I've got the SRAM X7 rear derailleur, which is a 10-speed.